Yeah.
Hello loved ones, hope you're all doing well. Come with me to Nungwi Beach. Nungwi Beach is in Zanzibar, is a top tourist destination known for its powdering white sands and its blue waters. Nungwi Beach is one of the breathtaking beaches on African continent. This is one of the world famous beaches found Zanzibar. It's really worthy a visit. In this video, I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you should visit Zanzibar. And also I'm going to give you 8 reasons why Nungwi Beach is a top tourist destination. You can't miss this video. Kindly click that like button there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed and come with me. You guys, the wind is very strong. Just have a look at these waves. Oh my God! Ah, yes. No. This is Mnarani Aquarium. You can see some people there trying to feed the turtles. The turtles or tacos. Finally made it to Zanzibar. Though Zanzibar has a number of beaches, Nungwi Beach remains one of the best and most popular beaches to visit in Zanzibar. If you are looking for your next tropical destination, Nungwi Beach is your perfect destination. Warm temperature all year round, amazing sunset view, nightlife, enjoy local flavors, boat building activities, walking around the village, sunset cruise, water activities, snorkeling, Zanzibar, swim with turtles. Like, guys, paradise is found in Nungwi Beach. Jambo.
Huyu hapa.
And their street food is something else, guys. If you're visiting this place, make sure that you try their street food, because guys, it's quite affordable and also yummy. Like you guys, I think with $2 or $3 you can have some bites in of like everything that you see there on the table, because I paid only I think I paid $4 and my plate was full. I also had a chance to share with some cats. You can see they have a lot of cats there. So you guys, you need to visit this place. if Zanzibar is in your basket list, make sure you have a visit at Nungwi Beach. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tell me why they have all these cats on the street. Oh my God. So the guy that is feeding the cats there, like, is the one who takes care of these cats. Can I say is the owner of these cats? They are public means of transport. They call it dala dala. But my room is just a walking distance from here, so welcome to my paradise. And my room is this simple. But you can see they have a beach there, so it has a swimming pool and it's also a beach view, which I paid $40. I moved yesterday from Bandari Villa. If you have watched the previous video, we're staying at Bandari Villa, but I wanted to be close to Nungwi Beach, so I just wanted a walking distance to Nungwi Beach to save on transport cost. Stay tuned on the next video. I'll be going to Dar es Salaam and I want to take you with me there. First time to have experience on fast ferry. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.